IKEA storage boxes come in a range of styles, colors, and materials that allow you to take a simple, functional item and make it something personal you're happy to have in plain sight. Here are 18 best IKEA storage boxes. 1. TJENA Storage Box with lid, yellow. Big enough for toys and games, and durable enough to be used every day. Pretty and majestic, regardless if it's freestanding or with other boxes in the TJENA series. 2. STORSTABBE Box, beige. Finally, you can open your chest of drawers and find what you are looking for. The boxes help organize the space, and the fabric makes your drawer look beautiful each time you open it. 3. KLÄMTARE Box with lid. This rugged and durable box is tested to withstand the elements outdoors. It's waterproof, and the snap lock function keeps the lid firmly in place so your things stay well protected and dry. 4. SAMLA Box, clear. This box is perfect for storing everything from smaller gardening tools to cleaning supplies. The clear plastic reveals the contents inside so you can easily find what you're looking for. 5. KUGGIS Storage Box with lid, light green. This medium-sized KUGGIS box is handy for storing things like paper, gadgets, or hobby items. The glossy modern design is made from PET plastic, recycled and transformed into useful storage for you. 6. SOCKERBIT Box with lid. Practical for storing everything from seasonal clothes and shoes to sports items and tools. The built-in locking function keeps the lid in place, which protects the contents from dirt and dust. 7. KVARNVIK Storage Box with lid. Like fashionable boxes of the past, the size is perfect for things like games or clothes. Woven paper on the outside and an extra touch with a check pattern lining on the inside. 8. RABBLA Box with lid. Dress up the inside of your wardrobe or make your open storage solution more attractive. The soft fabric box with wooden bamboo lid create a warm and natural impression and comes in a variety of sizes. 9. DRÖNA Box. This velvety fabric box adds a sense of softness to your storage, whether it's in the walk-in closet or in the living room. It is dimensioned for calyx shelving, adding style and function. 10. KOMPLEMENT Box. Take good care of your items and keep them organized in these soft felt boxes. They come in 2 sizes that work well on their own or combined for a perfect fit inside your complement drawers. 11. SAMMANHANG Box with lid, set of 3. Each box has a unique black and white pattern on the inside. Helps you organize and store your favorite small things. 12. BULLIG Box. The bamboo material has been pressed and lacquered, creating a smooth and natural expression. The basket has many potential uses and is dimensioned for calyx shelving, giving it a unique look and function. 13. BESTÅ Box. Helps you keep your BESTÅ storage combination organized. Perfect for storing anything from magazines and remote controls to DVDs, toys, or hobby supplies. Easy to pull out and lift as the box has cutout handles. 14. FJÄLLA Storage Box with lid. A medium-sized box that's perfect for papers, games, or clothes. The classic design with details like metal corners, handles, and label holders lets you stay organized with style. 15. TJENA Storage Box with lid, green dotted. A good size for slightly larger things like clothes, media accessories, and toys. Easy to assemble and easy to fold it up when you don't need the box and want to save space. 17. KNAGGLIG Box. A durable box that handles even the heavy loads. Leave it as it is or treat it with oil, wax, or your favorite color. Looks great in the living room or the garage and is a perfect match with iVar storage. 18. MANICK Box with lid. Good for storing and organizing media accessories, tools, or craft supplies. The label holder on the side helps you organize and find your things.